What if we could print a new heart instead of waiting years for a donor? Using bioink made of living cells, 3D printers can now build tissues layer by layer, just like nature does. These aren't plastic models, they're alive, made from real human cells. Traditional transplants depend on donors. Bioprinting creates organs on demand, customized for each patient. In the near future, a hospital could print your new organ overnight. 3D bioprinting is not just medicine, it's engineering life itself. Printing life, one cell at a time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.